Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I received a order from Meesho. I ordered a wall clock from Meesho. So let's unbox and open it and we'll see how the wall clock is. So packaging was good, very nice. So you can see they have packaged very well. So let us see how is the product from inside. So let us open the box quickly. Okay, now I open the box. We'll see how the product is. Okay, so I must say the packaging is really good. Clock, you can see it's a very beautiful one, looking very elegant and good. But one issue, see here, it's a broken. But the wall clock is very good, and for this price I got it for around I think 228. Okay, I got it on offer, but this is a broken product, so I have to exchange it. I will exchange it because this wall clock is really nice. It is looking good only. See how beautiful it is. But only issue is it is a broken, right? So I will exchange it. So you can also buy this one. The quality wise it is good, friends. But sometimes it happens. So I'll exchange it and I'll make another video after got exchange this wall clock. And that's it for today's video, friends. So like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.